In the last 2 weeks since the 15th of December, I've sold over $48,000 of a product that I've never had to touch. All I had to do was come up with some phrases, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So this is what I've done today, and if you take a look here, I'm going to show you what the month looks like. You're going to be asking, what's the profit on that? So this month, $7,500 after all expenses. Once an order comes in, my supplier will print and fulfill that order for me without me ever needing to touch it. The profit you saw was after all expenses, transaction fees, ad costs, everything. $7,500 in my pocket in the last 2 weeks. So the first thing you're going to need is a niche. Who are you selling these products to? Create a design, 1,000 by 1,000 pixels, and then create something. Very simple. Come over to Shine and install it to your Shopify store. Select your jewelry, upload your art, name it, publish it. And there we have it live on our Shopify store, and then advertise it on Facebook and TikTok. And if you'd like to work with me personally inside my Pod Hacks coaching program, then make sure you check this